Mactan Plains Residences, affordable condo right beside the Mactan New Town, Angazel Road, Barangay Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City. Live where opportunity meets the coast. Wake up just minutes from the beach, the airport, key business hubs, and Cebu's fastest rising township. This isn't just a condo, it's a smart investment in a location built for growth. Prime location, smart investment, flexible terms.
Naman sa text kay Boss Rewards. Halin mo bisa 2 units lang kay mga Boracay lang.
Crypto Boracay.
4 days and then 3 nights.
Wow. Yeah, how many
4
packs?
units. For you lang, ma'am.
For you, ra? Oh no. Oh no, it's so lonely, ma'am. It's so lonely.
Mabaligya para nakita-ubar. Pwede man siya.
It's so boring kaya ako ra usa. Wow, 5K. 30K. Ang 30K, makuha na yun. How many days?
So, the rest
Remaining?
for ko, installment, equity installment. So, yung first equity niya, 5K ka, and 100K.
So, 4...
Which, what's yung 100K, ma'am? Katong com? Com?
What? Incentives?
Wala pa nigi.
Wala pa siguro si Ma'am Ato. Wala pa, pag-unis siya. Wala siya nga, wala siya kabalo. Makatapal na si Ma'am 100. Oh, it's so hot. Akong electric fan to sa bag. Nanay, nagpuyo, Ma'am.
Yes. Nanay mga tayo.
12. Okay. Let's go. Okay, guys. Si Ma'am ang pinakagwapa. Pili nilang duha kay tagaan na mo Gcash. Onya, pagkuan na mo, reserve.
Lagi.
Pila reservation, Ma'am?
10K.
10K o. Gamay ra kayo. Chicken ra na.
And as low as 60K nga BP. Down payment.
Nami siya client, ma'am.
Na siya?
Ang
Push na to, ma'am.
Lagi ako to pare.
Move-in fees is 46,700.
Mga ikog number
And
ni
the
mo,
promo
Ma'am.
na to rin, ma'am, is 100% weight. If 3 months or 6 months bayaran ni client.
Nana sa
Equity.
Nana sa ato ang kuan, nasa ato ang.
So, yung mabayaran na gid ni client, ma'am, is ang pag-ibig fees and then down payment.
Nani sa ato ang kuan pag-issue ani ha. Wala.
Yes, ma'am.
Wala ka.
Yes, of course.
Then, nasa 10% here.
May I know your name, Ma'am?
Jenny, ma'am.
Wow.
Jenny.
She's Jenny. Jennifer Lopez. How old are you, Ma'am?
Ako na ready.
Basta ikaw ang mahalin, Ma'am. Dili ang unit. Di ikaw ang mong bida ron sa among vlog. Oh, this is
Unit, ma'am.
studio unit. How much is the price?
Mga
3 in. Wow! Oh no! I'm afraid sa height. Halaka! Saan ito nila? Look at down there. Oh no! I'm afraid. Ay! Halaka!
Yes, ma'am. Base, side base, and overhead cabinets niya kanina garnet countertop. And then provision para sa range hood, katong filter light.